Hello there. If you've already watched our other video, we have one called Visual Phonics for Family Sound Groups. And this video is just going to focus on the lip sounds, and it's going to be a shorter, condensed version of the lip sounds in case you've forgotten or you just want a reminder and have more examples of those sounds. So remember, lip sounds are made with your lips, only your lips. So this group includes B, M, P, and W. And here's a picture of what the symbols look like. And remember, the symbols are here just to help remind you what the gesture you use with your hand is. Now that we've looked at the pictures, we're going to show you what the prompts look like for each of the sounds.
B, B, or and P, P, and W.
Now that we've shown you what the prompts look like, we're going to show you some examples of each of the sounds. And remember, the sounds are B, M, P, and W. And the examples are going to have this sound in different parts of the word. So you're going to have beginning, the end, or the middle. Just kind of depends on each of the words.
We have boat, boat. And this one has two B's. We have baby, baby. Next we have the M sound. So we have mat, mat. Then we have lamb, lamb. Next we have the P sound. And this one has two P's, but we're going to focus on the first one. Popcorn, popcorn. Then we have pop, pop. It has two P's as well. And last but not least, we have the W sound, and this our hand is kind of following our mouth, so wah, so wow, wow.
Now that we've gone through all of the different individual lip sounds, here are some words that have more than one lip sound in each of them, so you can use more than one of the visual phonic prompt. You can use these or just the individual ones, whatever really works with what your child is struggling with.